Go, Jude on the way back up, let it cool down, go on straight, try to get as closest to us as we can. Should pull him in the last one. That was a good run. See what we got. Hopefully I hit a bit of ropes up there. It was pulling as well. It was pulling a bit as well, you know. But I just played with it a bit. Forms are good. Start. Read 181. Woohoo, boys! Fucking yes! Got what I wanted, 181. We could gear up, we could not. I might gear up, to be fair. We fill the temps and we see what she can do.